Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I am also okay, beta. I'm so happy to see you all after such a long time. Yeah, even I missed all of you. Even I missed all
Yes,
of you.
sir.
Yeah. 1 minute, beta. My phone is there. I have to get my phone. 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
बेटा ये क्या बोलते हैं जूम क्लास ज्वाइन करो. क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाला है. ज्वाइन द जूम क्लास फॉर वैल्यू एजुकेशन. I was getting a phone call.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to send one message now in the group, but this message is not for you because you already joined class. It is for others who have not yet joined. Kindly join your value education. You're talking. Please put your phone on mute. Okay. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As whose phone is not on mute? As you are seeing कि बहुत दिन के बाद we are having this class. We are having this class after a long time. So this value education class for the next for some time we are going to have this online class. But it will be like before. Remember, we used to have once in 15 days like that. तो वैसे करना होगा for the time being. So just remember this, and whenever जब भी value education होगा, I will send you the message and the link one day before, so you will come to know. Okay. All of you also remember, tell your parents also, now when you come to school or when you go out also, please wear mask. Wear mask. Very, very important. Because again, in Dharwad region and many places in the world, again this COVID thing is starting, or it has come. Those who know, about 3 days back, 4 days back, something, in SDM Medical College, they had a huge function, like a party, and many hundreds and hundreds of students, teachers, everybody was there. And this COVID-19 again started. Someone may be infected with that virus and came to that party, that function, and then many people now have got COVID. In fact, today's newspaper has said that more than 300 people, students and even teachers and nurses and all, because it's a medical college. More than 300 people have got infected now. So बच्चा लोग कहीं भी जाओ, मम्मी पापा को ही बोलना, they should also wear mask, you also wear mask. कहीं कहीं भी जाओ, स्कूल जाओ, मार्केट जाओ, फ्रेंड के यहाँ जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ, anywhere you go, wear the mask and use that hand sanitizer जो आप पहले यूज करते थे. So be careful, take precaution, and you will be okay, you will be safe. So take precaution, okay? Okay, those whose network is okay, please come on video. Satvik, Jhalak, Aditi, Mehboobi, come on video, beta. Okay, now open your live textbook. This one, open your book.
Life.
And can anyone tell me what was the last chapter we did?
Kind towards everyone.
What, beta?
Be kind towards everyone.
Yes, yes, yes. Today,
Sixth.
yeah, today we are going to start Don't Be a Bully. Okay. But before we start this chapter, I want to show you a nice video. So hold on. Now, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of teamwork, working as team? Can anyone tell me? Just raise hand if you know. Just raise hand if you know and give me the meaning.
Together. They're working together.
Ha, working. Yes, yes, Mohammed Mutib.
Working together.
Yes. Now, working together is half answer. The full answer is working together as a team, as a group to achieve one common goal. Jaise, for example, if India is playing Pakistan in one-day cricket match, one cricket tournament, then for India to win the match, India, the whole cricket team, they have to work as a team for a common goal. And what is that goal for them? To win the match and get the cup. So teamwork is very important. So in this video, it is only 2 minutes video. You will enjoy it. Okay. It is, I'll tell you what. These ants are going, you know, ant, chitty, ant. So these ants are going. And piche mein, there is one animal. He is trying to uh, suck the ant, because that animal for food, no, it has ants only, that is the food. So that animal is sucking that ant in the nose for food. So these ants, what they do, because animal is very strong, no? It's big animal and ant is very small. So animal is big, ant is small. So what these ants do, they make plan that all of us will work as team, and if that animal sucks us, so we will be like a ball and will get into his nose, but we cannot enter the nose, but we'll bite him in such manner that the animal will fall down. So it's very sweet video. I'll show you. It is 2 minutes video. So see, I will repeat it 2 times so that you enjoy the video, but you have to understand. Okay. So, okay. So hold on 1 second. Okay. Did you all see the video?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
can't hear you. Okay, 1 second, 1 second.
yes, sir. Nice, sir.
Did you all see the video?
Yes, sir.
And could you hear the sound
Yes, sir.
in the background? Could you hear the sound?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Sound. Okay. I will try to do something. Let us hope you can hear the sound. So I will play that video again. Remember one thing, you have to see this, okay? When all the ants, they make one team, one group, and that animal tries to suck in the nose, because it's a ball of ants, so it cannot enter the nose. So when the ball goes till the nose, till here, it bites so hard to the animal that you will notice the animal's color becomes red because of the ant bite, and the animal falls down. So I'm going to play that video again, and I hope this time you can hear the sound. So 1 minute, hold on.
क्या बोला ऑफिस से टीचर ऑफ कैसे Pranav.
Saw. Okay. This
Sir,
time,
very nice, sir.
this time, could you hear the sound? Children,
No,
tell
sir.
me, this time, could you hear the background sound? Reply.
No, sir.
Nobody could hear the sound this time?
No, sir.
Acha. ठीक, I think there was some sound problem. But you saw the video, no? Yes or no? Nice video, enjoyed, huh? Okay. All of you now open your textbook, and we will start reading. So open your textbook. Which page is that? Don't be a bully. Okay, 35. Okay, can all of you hear me clearly? Can everyone hear me clearly? Okay. Now all of you, I will take your name and you have to read. And if your mummy or papa is there, I will ask them to help you also, because all of you have to improve on reading skills also. So Arfan, we will start with you. After Arfan is Raksha. After Raksha is Sampreet. So Arfan, release your mute button, beta. And
Okay, sir.
Other children, please put your phone on mute. Everyone else. Only that child who's reading, only his or her phone will not be on mute. Everybody else, put your phone on mute. Okay, Arfan.
Yes, sir.
Read the part which is in the blue, in the box on top. We should make people there. So first
Yes,
read
sir.
the heading, don't be a bully. Uske baad read that blue wala part.
Don't be a bully. We should make people around us happy. We should be gentle and kind Not me.
Okay. Then Raksha, read Jimmy from Jimmy to bully him till 2.5 lines.
Sir, lesson name.
Don't be a bully. Page 35.
Like 43.
Raksha, can you start, beta? Raksha,
Boy.
he was
What's the
he,
He was also very
oh,
clever.
but the children in
In his class,
very
delay?
to him. They would call him name. They
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಅವಸ್ಥೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ ಆರಾಮ
them at him and bully
him.
him.
Okay, that's all, Raksha. Thank you. Sampreet, read they would steal his tiffin from there till sandwiches.
Yes, sir.
They would
they
would call
him
him
different
no beta, no, next line. They would steal his tiffin from there.
would
laugh at
him
him and bully
him.
him.
They
would take
his
lunchbox
and
run away with it.
Jimmy always brought something rice in his lunchbox. Crisp apple slices.
Okay.
Parentheses
or sandwiches.
Okay, that's all. Children, 1 second, children. Listen, all other children, 1 minute, hold on. Other children, listen one thing. Sampreet's textbook, if you notice, it's a little different. So some words which were in his textbook, it is not in your textbook. But don't worry, it's just 1 or 2 words, but chapter is same. Okay, so okay, next Jhalak, read from poor Jimmy till boys, big boys. Poor Jimmy.
Poor Jimmy was left hungry every day because of the big bullies. He was he could not fight off all the big boys.
Okay, good Jhalak, nice. Next, Mohammed Muteeb, read from after few days till plan.
After few days, Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. I may be smaller than them, but I am also smarter than them. He came up with a plan.
Okay. बस मोहम्मद मुतीफ, that's all. Good. Pranav, read from no matter from there till lesson. Pranav, can you hear me? After Pranav, Aditi, you will read. Pranav, remove your mute button, beta. Remove mute button.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
read from no matter from there till lesson.
No matter how much they had bullied him, Jimmy did not want to hurt the boys. He just wanted to teach them a lesson.
Bus, that's all. Bus, that's all, Pranav. Very good. Okay, Aditi, the next day from there, come to next page. Come to next page and read till pepper. Aditi, release your mute button.
Yes, sir.
The next day,
Where it is?
it is in the last line of page 35. The next day, last line.
The next day, once again, the big bullies ran away with Jimmy's lunchbox. After taking one bite of sandwich, the boys starting coughing and sneezing. The sandwich was full of
Okay, that's all.
pepper.
That's all. Good, beta. Very nice. Next, मुजम्मिल अत्तर. ये किसका नाम है? बेटा, tell me your name, beta. Release your mute button. Release the mute button. Release the mute button. बेटा वो रेड है ना, उसको म्यूट को हटाओ. रिमूव द म्यूट बटन. हाँ अब ठीक है. हाँ, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम सारा है. सारा अख्तर.
अच्छा,
मेरे
सारा.
भाई का नाम रखा है.
अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा सारा, अब पढ़ो तुम बेटा. द नेक्स्ट डे, वहां से लेके टिफिन तक या लंच बॉक्स तक. द नेक्स्ट डे. मिला
सर,
बेटा? पेज 36 ऊपर में जाओ. फर्स्ट पैरा में थर्ड लाइन. नो, सेकंड लाइन. द नेक्स्ट डे.
सेकंड लाइन सर.
द नेक्स्ट डे देखो. द नेक्स्ट डे द पराठास, वो वाला लाइन मिला?
नो सर.
बेटा, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ दैट पेज ऊपर में? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लाइन?
जेमी.
लाइन को पढ़ो.
जिमी सर.
बेटा पूरे लाइन को पढ़ो.
Jimmy was smile. Kenny boy. He was always.
One second, एक second. I think 1 second. Sarah, 1 minute. I think तुम्हारे बुक में जैसे सेंटेंसेस है ना, और मेरा यहाँ थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. सारा बेटा, जस्ट सी वो कहाँ पे है. द नेक्स्ट डे द पराठास वर स्प्रिंकल्ड विद शुगर. वो कहाँ पे है देखो जरा. द नेक्स्ट डे से शुरू होता है. द नेक्स्ट डे द पराठास वर मिला?
No, sir. So, second line.
हाँ अच्छा बेटा, कैन यू सी ऊपर में, कैन यू सी द सैंडविच वाज फुल ऑफ पेपर? पेपर मिला तुमको ऊपर में? द सैंडविच वाज फुल ऑफ पेपर?
No, sir.
प्रीवियस पेज जाओ, पहला वाला फर्स्ट पेज जाओ. ए बाकी लोग, कम ऑन वीडियो. व्हाई आई हैव टू से रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन? कम ऑन वीडियो, कम ऑन वीडियो, एवरीवन कम ऑन वीडियो. रक्षा, अदिति, एवरीवन. बेटा वीडियो को जब फेस करोगे ना, उससे तुम स्मार्ट बनोगे, उससे कॉन्फिडेंट बनोगे. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ बच्चों को वीडियो में आने. यू हैव टू बिकम स्मार्ट एंड कॉन्फिडेंट इन लाइफ. हाँ बच्ची, सारा, आई कैन सी दैट पेज. व्हाट इज द बेटा, व्हाट इज द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ दैट पेज? डोंट बी बुली. उसका लास्ट लाइन क्या है?
The next day.
हाँ,
The next day, bring
bullies
bullies ran
away
with Jamie
tiffin
tiffin if
after eating one.
after eating one.
Go to next page. Bite
of the sandwich, the boys
started
coughing
coughing
and
sneezing.
seizing. The
Sandwich
sandwich was
full of pepper. Okay, बस सारा, बस. महबूबी, नदफ, continue from there. The next day. बेटा म्यूट बटन हटाओ.
The next day,
the next day, the parathas were sprinkled with sugar. With sugar. Next line, the third day. The third day.
the paratha.
वो हो गया बेटा. The parathas were sprinkled with sugar. वो हो गया. Next line पढ़ो. The third day. The third day. महबूबी, सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you hear me? अच्छा बेटा, एक काम करो. आई थिंक तुम्हारे यहाँ बहुत नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ठीक है, तुमने एक लाइन पढ़ा ना, वेरी गुड. ये नेक्स्ट लाइन छोड़ दो, मैं एक और स्टूडेंट को बोलता पढ़ने, बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. ओके, संप्रीत.
The third day, slices
were rotten. I think she's having a lot of network problem. Were rotten and spoiled. It's okay बेटा, महबूबी रहने दो. तुम्हारे यहाँ बहुत नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry. Okay, Samtit Nair, can you hear me? Samtit. Samtit, can you hear me? Okay, Satvik, can you hear me? Satvik, क्या हो गया इनको? Satvik, beta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, read. The boys got tired. वहां से पढ़ो.
1 minute, sir.
क्या हुआ Satvik? We are waiting. The boys got tired. Satvik, बेटा अगर कोई नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, you tell me. Then I will ask another student to read. Okay, I think he's having network problem. Mohammed Muti, you read. The boys got tired. Remove the mute button.
The boys got tired of stealing Jimmy's tiffin. They realized that Jimmy may have been small and skinny, but he was smarter than all the others.
Okay, good. Arfan, read the next two lines.
Okay, sir. From where, sir?
The last paragraph. The big bullies.
The big bullies, sir. The big bullies went to Jimmy. They said, we are very sorry for bullying you, Jimmy.
We will.
We will never do it again. You are so smart and brave for standing up to us.
Okay, bus. That's all. Aditi, read the after that. Aditi, the big bullies. Wait, Mohammed Muti, 1 minute. Aditi, read the big bullies and Jimmy became friends. Remove mute button.
Where, sir?
Beta, last paragraph, third line. The big bullies and Jimmy became friends.
The
big bullies
and
Jimmy
became friends. From the next day onwards, all the boys bought their lunch boxes and shared it with each other. It was fun. Everyone was happy.
Okay, very good. All of you, very nice. And thank you, parents, for helping your children to read. And I would request parents to make this a habit. make your children read at least 1 or 2 paragraphs every day in English. Uh, because I'm noticing that even senior students, they have problem in reading. So every day, let your children read 1 or 2 paragraphs in English, and let them read loudly. So please help your children. Okay, all of you, let us understand now. Come back to previous page, first page. Now I will explain. So all of you, keep your phone on mute and listen. Just one of you release mute button and tell me, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, beta. So ये chapter है don't be a bully. What is a bully? A bully is a person who teases someone else or irritates someone else, and that is very bad nature. कभी भी bully मत होना. Don't be a bully. So that is the chapter. Good children and good children coming from good families, they are never bullies. Bad children are bullies. So never tease people. Suppose example, let's take example. Suppose you don't wear glass, but if you see glass matlab ye spectacles. But if you see another child coming to class who's wearing glasses, and if you tell that child, hey, what, you're looking bad with glasses and all that. See, we are not wearing glasses. That is called bullying. And that is wrong. You should respect the other student who's wearing glasses. Everybody is same, everybody is equal, and you have to respect everyone. Take another example. Suppose you have very nice, colorful compass box or pencil box, and there is one student who's coming from poor family, and he has very simple, ordinary pencil box. Now, if you try to tell that student, hey, what ordinary pencil box you have? See, I have such beautiful pencil box. And you are teasing him and all, that is called bullying, and that is wrong. That is wrong. That's very bad quality. So always respect people and always appreciate whatever people have. Appreciate that. Okay. So in this story also, now all of you look at the story, look at the page. Remember 2, 3 textbooks which I heard when you all were reading. Some sentences were different from the other textbook. Just say, for example, in my textbook it is written tiffin, but in some textbook I heard it is written lunchbox. It is okay, no problem. So don't get worried if 2, 3 sentences are little different, but meaning is same. Okay, chapter is same. So don't be a bully. We should make people around us happy. We should be gentle and kind, not mean, not bullying. I am noticing nowadays in school, in LCPS school, I'm noticing class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 students who are little seniors. They are fighting with each other, bullying each other, teasing each other. That is very wrong. That's bad qualities. So अभी से आपके क्लास में जो बच्चे हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, respect them, be kind to them, be gentle with them. Suppose you got your tiffin box with tiffin, and let's say one friend of yours, he forgot to bring tiffin box. His mummy forgot to put it in the bag. So you be nice. You tell that friend, Acha, listen, you forgot to get tiffin box. No problem. You share my tiffin. I will share my tiffin with you. That is called being good friend. That is nice. That is being helpful, gentle, all good qualities. So that is what it says in that blue thing in the box. We should make people around us happy. We should be gentle and kind, not mean and a bully. Now let us go into story. Jimmy was a small, skinny boy. Skinny means very thin, very thin. Skinny means very thin. Jimmy was a small, skinny boy. He was also very clever. See, my dear children, the question is not whether I'm skinny, whether I'm thin, whether I'm fat. That is not the question. That is not very this thing. What is important is you have to be clever, you have to be smart, and you have to be confident. So Jimmy was skinny. He was very thin, thin boy, but he was very clever. But the children in his class were very mean to him. They were very bad children. They would call him mean names. Matlab, they will call him bad names. One more thing I'm telling you, all of you listen, this we are noticing in school also. As children are growing up, class 5, 6, 7, 8, sometimes they're using bad language. That is very wrong. Never, 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 never use bad language. Always use good language because you're coming from good family. So in this case also, this Jimmy's friends, they were not good friends. They used to call him with bad language. They used to call him with bad names. They would laugh at him. See, all bad, bad qualities. They would laugh at him and bully him. They would steal his tiffin or lunchbox and run away with it. See, very bad qualities. आप जब अपना टिफिन लंच बॉक्स लाते हैं स्कूल पे इन ब्रेक टाइम और लंच टाइम, all of you should have lunch together in the classroom. Don't steal someone's tiffin and run away. That is bad quality. That is bad boy, bad girl. So here also, all these friends, no, Jimmy's friends, they were bad children. They used to bully him. They used to tease him. They used to steal his tiffin box and run away. Okay, let's continue. Jimmy always had delicious food for tiffin. So Jimmy always had good food for lunch or for tiffin. Nice. He used to bring crisp apple slices, stuffed aloo parathas, and club sandwiches.
Can't hear.
Other children, can you hear me? Remove mute button and tell me. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Aditi, beta, Aditi, please check your network. Because other children can hear me, beta.
It's full.
Beta, all other children can hear me. Suppose the problem was from my computer, that there is some audio problem, then no child will be able to hear me. But here, Aditi, other children can hear me, which means from my side it is okay. From your side, check your network or increase the volume or whatever. Okay. Now, one thing I want you all to notice carefully. Arfan, don't play now. Listen. All of you, no playing. Listen to the story. It's very important story. I want you all to understand one thing. This word called paratha or parathas, जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you have paratha with sabji and all that. This word paratha was actually a Hindi word.
I can't hear your sound.
Mehboobi, check your network, beta. Other children can hear me.
Okay.
Check your network. Okay, all of you listen carefully. This word paratha was actually a Hindi word, but now it has come into the English dictionary also. So that is why you will see the spelling. It is Parathas. It's become an English word. Originally, it was a Hindi word, but it has come into the English dictionary. So now we say parathas in English also. Okay. So Jimmy used to carry very nice food for tiffin, okay, for lunch. All these nice items, stuffed aloo parathas, club sandwiches, etc. But poor Jimmy was left hungry every day because of the big bullies. Please understand. Everyone mute, Raksha mute. Okay. Just listen. Jimmy used to get good food for lunch, But still, every day he used to be hungry. Why? Because his other friends, those who were bad friends, they used to steal his tiffin and run away. So this poor boy could not eat anything. So every day he used to be hungry. Since he was small matlab he was very small in height. His height was short. He could not fight off all the big boys. After a few days, Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. I may be smaller than them, but I am also smarter than them. So Jimmy thinks in himself, ठीक है, I'm smaller than them, but I am smarter than them. I need to teach these children a lesson. So he came up with a plan. No matter how much they had bullied him, Jimmy did not want to hurt the boys. He just wanted to teach them a lesson. See, he's such a nice boy. Such a good boy he is. He's coming from such good family. That all these other boys, they were teasing him, bullying him, stealing his tiffin and all that. But Jimmy, because he's good boy, he decided, I will teach them a lesson, but I will not hurt them. I will not hurt them. So imagine, he's such a nice boy. He says, I will teach them a lesson, but I will not hurt them. So he just wanted to teach them a lesson. The next day, the big bullies ran away with Jimmy's tiffin again. Next day, again Jimmy bought tiffin. He brought the tiffin to the school. Again, the other big boys, they ran away with his tiffin. Again, they were bullying him. Now, after eating one bite of the sandwich, the boys started coughing and sneezing. Why? Because the sandwich was full of pepper. Now, if you see in house, no, you have salt and pepper. कोई खाना में या सैंडविच में अगर बहुत ज्यादा पेपर डाल दो ना तो आदमी स्नीज करने लग जाएगा. He start coughing. So what Jimmy did in the morning when his mother was packing the tiffin and when mother made sandwich, Jimmy, to teach his friends one lesson, he put lot of pepper inside the sandwich. So what happened? Next day when he came to school with tiffin, and same thing, the other big boys, bullies, they stole the tiffin from him. And when they ate the sandwich, they started coughing. They started sneezing because the sandwich was full of pepper. The next day, the parathas were sprinkled with sugar. Please remember. So one day, he put pepper in the sandwich and other children started sneezing and coughing. Next day, Mummy made some parathas. So what he did, he put sugar in the parathas. So naturally, if you put sugar in paratha, you will not like, no. So friends, again, they stole the tiffin from him and when they started eating his sandwich, they saw the sandwich is filled with sugar. Again, they did not enjoy that food. And third day, the apple slices were rotten and spoiled. So third day, when Mummy was packing the tiffin, Jimmy, instead of putting good apple, he put bad apple, spoiled apple in the bag, in the tiffin. So next day, again when boys stole the tiffin from him, and they saw apple is full spoiled, it's bad. So the boys got tired of stealing Jimmy's tiffin now because 3 days they suffered. First day, they stole tiffin from him. I'm talking about this now. Earlier, they stole tiffin from him many times. But the last 3 days, the boys who stole tiffin from him, they suffered. Why? First day, when they had sandwich, whatever sandwich Jimmy brought to school in tiffin, Jimmy filled the sandwich with pepper. So when boys stole the tiffin and went, and when they had sandwich, they started sneezing. They started coughing. Next day, Jimmy put sugar in the parathas. So again, when the boys stole the parathas, stole the tiffin, again, they did not like the taste because parathas are filled with sugar. Third day, again, when they stole the tiffin, they saw all bad apple. So the boys got tired of stealing Jimmy's tiffin. Why? Because they were not having good food. They were all having bad food, etc., etc. So they realized that Jimmy may have been small and skinny, but he was smarter than all the other boys. And then all these big boys, the big bullies, went to Jimmy. They said, "We are sorry for bullying you. We are sorry for bullying you, Jimmy. We will never do it again. You are so smart and brave for standing up to us." The big bullies and Jimmy became friends. From the next day onwards, all the boys brought their tiffins and shared it with each other. They all lived happily ever after. Nice story, no? All
Yes,
of
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Acha.
Stories.
What we will do, beta, बच्चे लोग, come to that. Let's understand. I want you to do exercise 1 and exercise 2. चलो अभी करो. करो. Do it now. Take pencil and do exercise 1 and exercise 2. I'm just switching off my video for 2 minutes.
Mama, sir, correct.
You have done it, no? रीड करके और एक बार करें, ऐसा ही करें तो गुस्सा करते हैं सर. ನಾಳ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ.
Raksha, do the exercise. Saira, do the exercise.
Tegi.
Okay, there is one small correction. There is one sentence which says, the boys enjoyed eating the club sandwiches. I wanted to change that and put the boys did not enjoy. So cancel enjoyed, and write did, D-I-D, not N-O-T, enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y. The second point, you will see it says the boys enjoyed eating the club sandwiches. Cancel enjoyed and write Did, D-I-D, not N-O-T, enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y. So did not enjoy. So the boys did not enjoy eating the club sandwiches.
For finished.
Okay.
ಅಕ್ಷರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಾರ ಓದಿನ ಬುಕ್ ಅದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ
Hello.
ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ 36 ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತದ ತಗೋಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ
Excuse me, sir. It's Arfan's mother here.
Huh?
Sir, you said no. Second sentence. The boys did not enjoy eating the club sandwiches.
Hanji, yes.
Did not nahi aayega, sir. They used to enjoy the eating club sandwiches, no, sir.
No. You have to put all the sentences in order. So, कौन सा first आएगा, कौन सा second आएगा, कौन सा third आएगा.
वही.
एक सेकंड इनको खत्म करने दो. When I give the answer, तब आप समझेंगे मैंने वो क्यों change किया. So,
Okay.
एक मिनट. Has everyone finished exercise 1? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let us do exercise 1. I will give you answer. Then we'll do exercise 2. So in exercise 1, put these events in the right order. Write 1 next to the event that should come first, 2 next to the one that should come after that, and so on. So number 1 will be, all of you see, Arfan, stop playing with that. Beta, listen, see the story. Number 1 will be, Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. That is number 1. If you go to previous page, you will notice if you go to previous page, you will see in the last line of the earlier paragraph, he just wanted to teach them a lesson. So वहां पे बोलता है ना, in that paragraph, last line के पहले जो paragraph है, after a few days Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. So I must teach these boys a lesson is number 1. Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. Number 2, come down, last line dekho, the next day the big bullies ran away with Jimmy's tiffin. So number 2 is, the boys snatched away Jimmy's tiffin. This is number 2. The boys snatched away Jimmy's tiffin. या कहीं पे कोई टेक्स्ट बुक में अगर लंच बॉक्स लिखा है तो वो भी ठीक है. So the boys snatched away Jimmy's tiffin or lunch box. Then number 3, the boys did not enjoy the club sandwiches. Number 3 is, the boys did not enjoy the club sandwiches. Now ये कैसे पता चलता है? If you see in the last line of the previous page, वहाँ लिखा हुआ है, the next day the big bullies ran away with Jimmy's tiffin. After eating one bite of the sandwich, the boys started coughing and sneezing. तो जब उन्होंने सैंडविच खाया they started coughing and sneezing. That means they did not enjoy eating the sandwich. That is the indirect meaning. They did not enjoy eating the sandwich. So, number 3 is the boys did not enjoy eating the club sandwiches. Why? Why? अगर आप क्वेश्चन पूछो why, तब आता है number 4, because the boys coughed and sneezed after eating from the tiffin. So number 4 is the boys coughed and sneezed after eating from the tiffin या lunch box. Then number 5, last वाला देखो, the boys opened the tiffin to find rotten apple slices inside the box. That is number 5. Then number 6, the big bullies apologized to Jimmy. The big bullies apologized to Jimmy. And last में number 7, all the boys shared their tiffin, laughing and joking as they ate together. Okay, I will repeat it again. Number 1 is Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. Number 2 is the boy snatched away Jimmy's tiffin or lunchbox. Number 3, the boys did not enjoy eating the club sandwiches. Number 4, the boys coughed and sneezed after eating from the tiffin. Number 5, the boys opened the tiffin to find rotten apple slices inside the box. And number 6, the big bullies apologized to Jimmy. And 7 is all the boys shared the tiffin, laughing and joking as they ate together. Okay, I'm going to repeat one last time. If anybody could not correct, तो उनके लिए मैं last time एक बार बोल रहा हूँ. Number 1 is Jimmy thought to himself, I must teach these boys a lesson. Number 2, the boy snatched away Jimmy's tiffin or lunchbox. कोई textbook में I think lunchbox लिखा है. Number 3, the boys did not enjoy eating the club sandwiches. Number 4, the boys coughed and sneezed after eating from the tiffin or lunchbox. Number 5, the boys opened the tiffin or lunchbox to find rotten apple slices inside the box. Number 6, the big bullies apologized to Jimmy. And number 7, all the boys shared the tiffin or lunchbox, laughing and joking as they ate together. Okay, come to next page. All of you do exercise 2. You have to match what is there on the left side to what is there on the right side.
Done, sir.
Finish, sir.
Finished, sir.
Okay, let me see whether you got correct answer. Okay, what is big what?
Big bullies.
Very good. Very
Big
good.
bling.
Very good.
Bullies.
Big bullies. Number 2, not 2, sorry, B. A is big, so big bullies. Number A is big bullies. B is peppery. Peppery what?
Peppery sandwiches.
Very good. Peppery sandwiches. Number C, crisp.
No.
अच्छा, एक सेकेंड बच्चे लोग, एक सेकेंड. एक्चुअली बच्चे लोग मेरी एक बात सुनो, लिसन. This crisp and also rotten will have only one answer, because in one part of the book it's written crisp apple slices, but in another part of the book it is written rotten apple slices. और आप भी अगर नोटिस करो राइट साइड में एक वर्ड मिसिंग है. एक्चुअली मिसिंग नहीं है, बिकॉज टू वर्ड्स हैव द सेम आंसर. सो ऑल ऑफ यू, crisp is apple slices and also rotten is apple slices, because दोनों चीज लिखा हुआ है book में. If you notice, okay, I'll show you where it is. Hold on. If you notice on page 35, ऊपर में देखो, in first paragraph, fourth line, no, fifth line, you will see page 35, ऊपर में देखो, in first paragraph, fifth line, you will see crisp apple slices, crisp apple slices, crisp apple slices. Now, if you come to page 36, next page, you will see on top, third line, the third day, the apple slices were rotten and spoiled. So, बच्चे लोग, दोनों जो C crisp है और D rotten है, both you have to match with only one word, that is apple slices. So, crisp apple slices, rotten apple slices. Chalo, next, skinny. What is skinny?
Jimmy.
Okay.
Jimmy, sir.
In this case also, बच्चे लोग, listen, in this case also, skinny Jimmy and also clever Jimmy. So, both have one answer. E is skinny. You have to match with Jimmy, skinny Jimmy. And when you go to G, you will see clever. Clever Jimmy. Again, clever Jimmy. Okay, so skinny Jimmy, clever Jimmy. So for both skinny and clever, we have one answer, Jimmy. So skinny Jimmy, clever Jimmy. Then delicious. What is delicious?
Delicious food.
Food. Correct. Delicious food. Delicious food. And last one, sugary.
Paratha. Parathas.
Yes, sugary parathas. Okay, sugary parathas. Sugary parathas. Sugary parathas. Okay, my dear children, we'll do one thing.
Chup re.
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, एक काम करेंगे बच्चे लोग. I want you and parents, please help them. I want you to understand. Let's talk and let's do. We will discuss this next class. So let's talk में है. Have you ever seen anyone being bullied? Was anyone mean to you? Was anyone mean to you or your friend? Did you help them? Did they thank you? Why do you think children bully each other? फिर let's do में है. Let's be brave this week. If there is someone who does something to you that you do not like, ask them to stop doing it. For example, if there is someone who's always taking your things without asking you, or if someone always pushes you in the playground, ask a friend to go with you if you're scared of going alone. अच्छा एक काम करो, all of you listen. ये let's do अभी हम लोग करते हैं. I'll explain to you. Or let's talk, you try to go through it and we'll discuss next class. But let's do ये अभी करते हैं. So all of you listen carefully. It starts with let us be brave. Not only this week. यहाँ लिखा है this week. It is not only this week. Always be brave. Always. Example. Suppose today when you come to school, all of you listen. ये आपको practically करना होगा. तब जाके you will see good result and you will become strong person. Suppose today when you come to school or tomorrow or this week or next to next week, anytime you come to school or anytime you're playing with your friends or cousins in house also, if someone teases you, tell that person bravely, don't tease me, respect me. If someone takes away your thing, let's say a pencil or pencil box, something, and goes away, tell that person, next time, please don't take my pencil or don't take my pencil box. Also, When you're playing in playground, if your friend pushes you and you fall down, tell that friend, or you can take another boy with you, whatever. If it's boys, take a boy with you. If it's a girl, take a girl with you, a senior girl or senior boy. Tell that friend, don't push me next time. I will repeat this. Listen to me. तभी तुम लोग स्ट्रांग बनोगे और बातें करना सीखोगे. अगर आप बात करना नहीं सीखे, अगर आप स्ट्रांगली ये सब सिचुएशन को हैंडल नहीं किए, तो बाकी जो बच्चे हैं ना, वो लोग आपका एडवांटेज लेंगे, वो लोग आपको बुली करेंगे. सो अगर कोई मेरे को बुली करता है, कैसे हम रोकेंगे? सो दीज आर फ्यू टिप्स. लेट्स टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, कोई बच्चा, कोई फ्रेंड, कोई कजन जो आपके एज का है, वो सडनली आपका पेंसिल ले जाता है बिना पूछे, सडनली आपका पेंसिल बॉक्स ले जाता है बिना पूछे, सडनली आपका टिफिन बॉक्स ले जाता है बिना पूछे. प्लीज टेल दैट पर्सन, डोंट डू इट नेक्स्ट टाइम. नेक्स्ट टाइम डोंट टेक माय पेंसिल और पेंसिल बॉक्स एटसेट्रा विदाउट आस्किंग मी. हाँ, इफ यू वांट पेंसिल, सपोज तुम्हारे पास पेंसिल नहीं है, इफ यू वांट पेंसिल, यू आस्क मी नाइसली, आई विल गिव यू द पेंसिल. देन आफ्टर यू फिनिश वर्क, you give me back the pencil, return that pencil back to me. But don't take my pencil or pencil box without asking me. अगर कोई आपका टिफिन बॉक्स ले जाता है बिना आपको पूछे, tell that person, listen, if you did not bring tiffin from home, ठीक है, don't worry, I will share my tiffin with you. But if you got your tiffin, then you have no right to steal my tiffin. Don't do that. Next time, don't steal my tiffin like this. Number 3, suppose you're playing in playground with your friends and one friend pushes you and you fall down. Suppose it's a boy and you are a boy. If you can tell him directly that, listen, don't push me next time, okay? Let us respect each other. If it's a girl and girls are playing together, if another girl pushes this girl, so this girl should tell that girl, don't push me next time. We should respect each other. But let us say, suppose a boy pushes a boy and a girl pushes a girl. In the case where a boy pushes a boy and the boy falls down, if the boy is little fearful or little scared of talking to this boy who pushed him, then this boy should take a senior boy, elder student along with him, and the elder student should tell this boy, hey, don't push him next time. Or let's say if a girl pushes another girl and the girl falls down, now if this girl is strong and can tell directly to this girl, hey, next time don't push me. But if this girl is little soft and she's little fearful or little scared of telling this other girl of not pushing her, then this girl should take a senior girl, a senior student, and that senior student should accompany this girl and take her to that girl. Whether this girl who got pushed by another girl, this girl should take a senior girl, a senior student to that girl, and the senior student should tell that girl, hey, don't push this girl next time. So, बच्चे लोग, you have to be smart and you have to be confident and you have to be bold. And when you talk like this confidently and boldly with people, then they will not bully you next time. They will not tease you next time. So that is the lesson you should learn from this chapter. Okay? Matlab, listen to me. You don't bully people and don't allow others to bully you. I'll repeat it again. You don't bully people and also don't allow others to bully you. Got it? And if others are bullying you, you should talk to them, deal with them, talk to them very directly, very boldly, very confidently, and tell them not to bully you. Got it? Chalo, we will end the class now. And next class, we will discuss about that let's talk wala jo hai. Okay? And also, the next two pages,
खेलो.
Exercise. Actually, we'll do that next class. Don't worry. We'll do that next class. The next 2-3 pages. There are 2-3 exercises out there. Okay. Chalo, we'll end the class now. See you. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Bye 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 bye. God bless you. God bless you. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye.